Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Shop Teacher Selection Live. Today we will be breaking down the knowledge of two teams of applicants. Remember, there can only be two shop teachers. On my right, Mr. P and Mr. P. And on my left, Mr. P2 and Mr. P2. Today could be a close competition. First question, gentlemen. How many different types of lumber sizes exist?
1. The way it measures.
Incorrect. Mr. P, choose. Can you answer the question correctly?
That's an easy one. It's infinite. We can have infinite sizes because we can cut it to whatever piece we need. We can totally cut whatever size we need.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 2. Nominal and actual. What does the actual size of a lumber measure?
What it measures with a measuring tape.
Correct. The actual measurements of the piece of lumber. Well done. Next question. What does the nominal size of a lumber measure?
I know that one. I know it. It's the name of the board. It's what we call it. It's not the actual size that measures. It's what we call it.
Correct. Now, what are the measurements or dimensions of a 2x4?
It's 2 inches by 4 inches. Duh! Boom! I'm on a roll!
Incorrect. Other team?
It has to be 1.5 by 3.5.
That is correct. Well done. Question 4. Why does a 2x4 not measure 2 inches by 4 inches, but instead 1.5 by 3.5? No answer? You have 10 seconds.
What are you
so we
doing?
move on. 5, 4, 3.
It saves material!
That is correct. Well, then we digress. For question 5, we have a pre-question event. Before both sides is a single slat of wood. Please break it in half.
Come on. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Now for question 5. Why was Mr. P2 able to break his slat of wood and Mr. P was not able to break his?
Way stronger. Way stronger.
Incorrect. Mr. Pease?
Because they're from different trees?
That is incorrect. The correct answer is that the grain was aligned different in each slat of wood. The slat that Mr. P2 broke had the grain running the width of the slat, while the slat that Mr. P failed to break had the grain running the length of the wood slat. What is the grain of the wood?
It's the fibers that run up the length of the tree.
Nice. Nice. Good answer.
Correct. Question number 7. What do the rings of a tree tell us when we look at them in a tree cookie?
It's the age of the tree. We know how many because of the rings each year.
Correct again. 2 points in a row for Mr. P2 and Mr. P2. Mr. P2 and Mr. P2 now have 4 points, while Mr. P and Mr. P are behind, sitting at 2 points. Question number 8. If a wood board is going to be cut diagonal to the grain of the wood, what kind of a cut is being made?
It's a diagonal cut. A diagonal on the angle.
Incorrect. Mr. Pease?
It's a miter cut. They use them on like picture frames and stuff. I knew that one. It's gotta be a miter cut.
That would be correct. Our next question is on the same premise. A cut against the grain of the wood is,
A cross cut.
well done, that is correct. Now, on to our final question from the same premise as the past two. A cut that runs with the grain of a board of wood is called
They're
what?
still gonna lose.
I saw this in the sawmill video the other day. It's a rip cut.
Correct. Well, the Mr. P's only have 4 points and the Mr. P2's have 5. This would be over, but there is a bonus question that is chosen by the judge. The bonus question is, what team demonstrated a positive outlook
Us!
while
Us,
answering?
we did! Yeah, totally!
That is correct. And now we have a tie on our hands, gentlemen. According to the National Rules of Shop Teacher Selection, Section 16, how ties are handled, it clearly states that the winning team is at the judge's discretion. And I rule that the Mr. P's are the winners. Congratulations, gentlemen. You will remain shop teachers.